So my clients really wanted to capture the luxury of beachfront living in this space, and really right as you walk in the door, what we did was we kind of remind you of the ocean as soon as you walk in, and by little spurts of blue here and there. They're world travelers, so they really love the style, the sexy style of the Miami vibe. So I wanted to really incorporate that into this space and kind of create just a fun environment with a little touch of modern, but still something relaxing and luxurious. We created a cinema area, which is really modern and fun, and kind of be able to enjoy it from any space in the condo. You can look out into the ocean. It's really just a very user-friendly space. You can sit at the bar, or we created this nice open concept kitchen where you can sit at the kitchen and watch TV. We really continued the whole modern theme by leaving the clean lines, by using the clean lines. A nice little sparkle backsplash to really reflect the view, Italian grade materials, and really just modern kitchen overall. My vision for the outdoor, since it was such a spacious balcony, was really to just enjoy the space inside and outside. And because the balcony is so big and spacious, it really allows for you to gather and you put up your feet and kind of relax in the sitting area and really just enjoy the space. For the bedrooms, I really wanted to capture the outstanding view. I mean, the views are incredible from any angle of the bedroom, and really what I wanted to do was really capture that. I kept it simple in the bedrooms and very luxurious, high-end mattresses, and really layering supple and really luxurious textures on the beds. But I added a little pop of color here and there to just give you that wow factor. Every time you turn a corner or two, you'll see a little pop of color to just remind you that you're still in a very fun environment, even though it's very luxurious and very relaxing.